Are you planning a virtual family reunion leveraging AI? And looking for ways to make your virtual family gatherings a whole lot more fun and accessible, no matter where in the world you are? With the Kajabi mobile app, you can now get all of your course content right on your phone. All you need to do is head over to this page and download the free Kajabi app. https://pages.kajabi.com/mobile-app-download. What's Kajabi? It's an amazing platform that can be used to host your entire virtual family reunion, newsletters, email generation, meetups, family challenges, event webinars, and more. Now, once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to sign in with the email you use for your virtual family reunion. If you're not sure how, don't worry, I've got you covered. You'll open up the Kajabi mobile app and click Get Started. Enter your email address, then you'll receive a confirmation link in your email. Click on it, and voila! You're in! It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. With the Kajabi mobile app, you'll be able to participate in your virtual family reunion from anywhere. You can watch videos, engage in fun family activities, and so much more. The app even automatically saves your progress. This is your chance to stay connected and keep the family spirit alive, even when you can't be physically together. So go ahead, download the Kajabi mobile app, and join the fun. Want to try Kajabi out for 14 days for free? See if it is perfect for your family. Please visit https://bit.ly/changekajabi to take advantage of these savings. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Until your virtual reunion, stay safe and keep smiling. Download the Kajabi mobile app and join the AI revolution for your virtual family reunion. We must remember that AI, like all tools, is neutral. It's how we use it that defines its value. We have to educate ourselves to leverage AI in a way that is for the benefit of humanity, not to the detriment of humanity. Virtual family reunions, facilitated by AI, can be a powerful force for good, fostering connection, sharing joy, and bridging distances. Yet, it is also incumbent on us to not let such technology replace the warmth of physical closeness. We can do this. Let's bridge the family communication gap with Kajabi. I can. I will. I must. Let's go.